The more levels you get to a line is the higher probability they get respected, which means that's further confluence for high RR risk to reward trades. Straight away here on the weekly, we can see support here. So we'll just put a horizontal line just like that. And then we'll grab our Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. And you can see that support also aligns perfectly with the 0.618 Fibonacci. So what if you could throw something else into the mix? Estimated moving averages, the 12 and 21 EMA, the ones I most commonly use. And straight away here you can see the 21 EMA aligns perfectly with that 0.618 Fibonacci and that support. Another reason why I've been very vocal about 78.4K. And now what about some other higher time frame key levels? What about the yearly open? And as you can see, it sits perfectly around the 0.5 Fibonacci. And that's why finding these levels, aligning with each other, gaining that extra confluence, gives you higher probability of playing it level to level, especially on hard time frame swing positions. So acceptance above 78.4K, that could quite easily open the door to 87.6K, which is the yearly open and the 0.5 Fibonacci. Whereas if we start gaining acceptance below the 0.618 and that support, that again opens the door to the lower end of this Fibonacci level, especially if we can get it to align with something else. What about a fixed range here on the daily? And there you go. The value area low aligns perfectly with that 0.786 Fibonacci. So there we go. How can we use that in a trade setup? A successful retest, some acceptance, that opens the door for a swing trade position from 78.4K to 87.6. Of course, there's going to be some pullbacks within that process because there will be resistance levels on the lower time frame. And the same applies for below that support and the 0.618 Fibonacci. Below that, that possibly opens a swing position, especially if you get below this daily value area high. That opens the door to a swing short position down to 65.4K, which is the value area low and the 0.786 Fibonacci.